Yeah, well played. Good finish that.
Not finished it yet. None of your mind games. You can put that away. You know, all the way through watching the snooker. I'm just going to take this shot.
Yeah.
I wondered what a better game it would be if that was allowed.
Yeah.
Just snide little comments from the corner. Fluke. Just little shit like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Fluke. Oh, you're fucking kidding me.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't want to put it there. Just little comments.
Yeah. That would actually be pretty funny. I'd actually tune in to watch that.
Yeah, that should be snooker for the common man, that one.
Yeah.
No!
Oh, yeah.
Bollocks!
Oh,
just
he has gone.
With that.
He has gone.
Did all the hard work. Mind you. Oh.
Yeah, let's just put a big fucking onion in the ointment, that bad boy.
Get behind my black. Can you get behind my black?
I could.
But you don't want to.
I think this is an enough, this cut.
Really?
I think it's going to sail into the middle, into the top.
Go on then.
That's all I've got, though.
It is all you've got, I think.
Unless I play it ludicrous. God, no, I can't get around that.
Don't play you couldn't even finish the word. A ludic. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Wow. Now it will.
Yeah.
If you didn't mean that, you need to pretend you meant that.
I put a bit of right hand side on it.
Oh fuck! It's all there. Now this would be the clearance I should have done before.
No, I've got a ludicrous fucking pot into the middle here. Unless I go that. Do I go that one? Got to rely on fucking drag backs and shit. Hold.
Yeah. Is it straight?
It is.
Perfect. Privileged to watch that, sir.
Thank you.
Gave you a little sniff and you took it.
Yeah. Fucking needed that. Fucking twos. Oh, spotted one of them. Oh, what was that? What was it? Yellow.
No!
What's he doing? What's he doing?
What am I doing?
Oh.
About 4 elements of that worked perfectly. One didn't. Guess which that was. Fucking hell.
Yeah.
Stupidity, stoop. What the fuck? You know it's a bad shot when both players shout, "What's he doing?" Alright, what you need to do is do a double, a plant, sorry, onto that one near the black.
Yeah.
I dares you.
Oh, no, not just yet. It's tempting though.
Get on the DVD, that badger.
Yeah.
Thinking about it.
Oh, this is just going to run awkwardly, this one. I can sense it.
Smack it. He's going for it now. Here we go. Shot A on the DVD. No, he's going middle bag. Dull.
Oh.
He's having nothing to do with it.
Chaos. Absolute chaos. Wait. Fuck me.
I thought to myself, why should we both be confused? Why should only one of us be confused? I should make us both confused and scared.
Yeah, have some of that.
I deserved that. Yeah, I deserved that.
I'm just going to play shove piggy shove till you get to that ball. Now I don't know what to do here now. Oh, Arthur! Oh, I thought it was Arthur that. Now then. Oh, I've got no clue. I've got no clue.
Neither have I. I think if we put the top brains on this one, it'd be a little bit of. You might as well just hit it out, lads.
Oh yeah, see,
Chess
no fucking
match.
clue. I've got to think. Fucking AI couldn't work this out. Now, fucking hell. Fucking nightmare. Absolute fucking nightmare.
Idiot put that black there.
Like that.
You just got to play with that one up at the ball, can't you?
Yeah.
I didn't want that to go in.
Oh, thanks for a fucking maker. Fucking hell.